I've sat on this egg now for 51 weeks. I've sat here while people have paid to take peeks. I've sat here through thunder and lightning and snow. So Mayzie, would you please just take back this egg?
Gee, I really don't know.